Key figures and representations of the Société Générale Group. Global Markets and Investor Services. The Global Markets and Investor Services division includes global markets activities formed by the fixed income and the currencies and equities divisions and the securities and business. As such, the division combines the strength of the leading financial institutions offering global access to market with a customer-oriented approach of a broker positioned as a market leader in its activities, delivering value-added services and innovative solutions. The teams, which comprise financial engineers, salespersons, traders, and specialists, advisors, use SG Markets as unique and unparalleled digital platforms to provide tailored solutions designed to address each customer's needs and specific risks to assist their navigate on increasingly interconnected financial markets. In addition, work performed by Société Générale Cross-Asset Research Department provides insight into the impact of major events on the various asset categories and analysis the relationships between asset categories. This key information is included in strategy fact sheets. Since January 2020, the bank has systematically included environmental, social, and governance analysis in its equities publications, now produced by the Bernstein Société Générale. The group venture alongside in its governmental financial analysis. The Institutional Investors 2024 Europe Research Survey ranked Société Générale as the best index research and in the top 5 quantitative research, multi-asset research, confirming the quality of its equity and cross-asset quants research. In addition, for the ESG themes, and Société Générale received the award for the best global and European institute from SRP in 2024. The launch of Bernstein in early 2024 created a global leader in equity research, a cash equity that covers more than 1,000 companies. Burns ranked 8th and 11th respectively in research in Europe and United States in Institutional Investment Survey 2024 Europe Research Survey and Excel 2024 All America Research Surveys. Fixed income and currencies. Fixed income and currencies activities covered a comprehensive range of products and services, ensuring the liquidity, pricing, and hedging risks related to the fixed income, credit, foreign exchange, emerging market activities of Société Générale clients. Teams operation in London, Paris, Madrid, and Milan, as well as in the United States of the Asia-Pacific region, and offers a wide range of flow of derivative products, underpinned by in-depth research, engineering, and trading that provides strategy advice, flow data, competitive prices. The team assets corporate clients and financial institutions with investment and risk management, providing advice on most appropriate opportunity depending on each client's protection, return of capital objectives, leveraging 15 years experience in structuring finance hedging. FIC teams are able to provide customized solutions for each financing transactions, including risk hedging, where required, drawing on solid expertise underpinned by cutting-edge technologies and algorithm trading
clients have access to a wide range of instruments, technologies, liquidities, and fixed income credit markets via single and multi-broker platform executive spot trading derivative transactions. Equities historically presents the world's major primary and secondary equity markets and its long-standing traditional calculated innovation. Societe Generale is a leader comprehensive suite of varied solutions covering the full spectrum of cash equities and derivative-based services, equity finance and equity structures products, strategy equities, transactions, and prime services activities. Drawing more than 30 years experiences in these years, the group occupied a leading position in derivatives and investment solutions products, continues to constantly innovate by offering tailored advisory and innovative solutions tailored to the needs of its clients. The group has succeeded in maintaining the global leaders' positions, including strategic post review since 2020, the most complex products, while developing the next generation of investment solutions. The products by remaining pioneer in innovation and notably for CSR, the bank, and has been recognized the IFR, the bank equity derivative, respectively. The innovative The innovative approach is applied to the full area of equities-related activities, spanning equities research, trading, equities financing, listed products, securities services. Societe Generale Securities Services (SGSS) offers a comprehensive range of customized services, including market-leading clearing services, custody and depository bank activities covering all asset classes, fund administrative services for managers of complex financial products, issuer services including administrative stock options plans and employees' shareholdings, liquidity management services, cash securities, transferring agents activities provide a comprehensive suite of services ranging from support to fund distributives, with Euro 4,921 billion in assets under custody at the end of December 2004 versus Euro 4,931 billion at the end of December 2023. SGSS ranks second among European custodians. It offers the custodian services more than 3,497 mutual funds and provide valuation services to more than 2,498 mutual funds with total assets under administrative of Euro 623 billion. Financing and advisory business line is responsible for covering developing global relations with bank strategies clients, the department housings, the global banking advisories platforms and combines in a single business units, the coverage teams dedicated to the global banking and the clients, the business teams merging and requires the acquisitions, advisories, and other corporate finances, ASG advisories, corporate banking, and investment bankings, naming capital raising solutions for the debt and equities, financial engineering, and hedging for issuers. Global transactions and payment services, the global bank and advisories platform operates worldwide, is supported by expert teams located in France, Europe, and United Kingdom, Americas, and in Asia. The team's knowledge of clients and local regulations are key to constructing domestic, international, and cross-border activities. Based on the global expertise and strong sectors of knowledge, the group was recognized as Local Financial Advisors of the Year by Project Finance International in 2004, ranks among the top 3 market players worldwide in project finances, resources, the outlets, e.g. the 2024 and top 4 in acquisitions and financing. As a mandated ledge arranger in the Europe, Middle East, and Africa, the source of the LAC. In LAC 2024, the group was also named the best World Bank in its transaction strategies by Euromoney and Best Money Investment Bank, the Sustainability, the Financial Global Services. Universal Registration Documents. Société Générale. Table of Contents. Key figures and representations of the Société Générale Group. History, presentation of associates. Clear strategy for sustainability, future, SG's core business. Group management reports. SG Group main activities. Group activities of social, financial results. Activities, performance of businesses. Major new products and services. Analysis of consolidated balance sheet, financial policies. Major investment and disposals. Pending acquisitions and major contracts. Property and equipment. Post-closing events. Statement on the post-closing events. Information on geographic location and activities. Corporate governance. Corporate social responsibilities. Financial information. Share and share capital. Legal information. Person responsible for the universal registration documents. Cross-reference tables and appendices. Universal registration. Universal registration document was filed on 12 March 2025 with the AMF as the competent authority on the regulation without prior approval pursuant to Article 9 of said regulation. The universal registration may be used to purpose of an offer public of securities and or admissions of securities for trading on a regulated market if completed by a security note and, if applicable, a summary and amendments to the universal registration document. The whole is approved by the AMF according to the regulation EU 2017-1129. So, admission of securities of trading on a regulated market. Trading on a regulated market. The document is translated into English of the annual reports and universal registration document of the company is issued in France and available on the website of the issuers. The universal registration is a copy of official revision of the universal registration of has been prepared in XHTML formats according to the issuer's website. Key figures and presentations of the associated as well. Histories, representations, clear strategies as SHGs. Financial results. Revenues, group net income, capital, business performances. French retails, private bankers, and insurances. Global banking, investor solutions, mobility, international retail banking, and finance services. Establish ESG strategies, redirect finance towards the decarbonizing activities.